Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of low-cost manufacturing business ideas. We'll be focusing on how you can create everyday products using simple machines. This is a fantastic opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to start a business with minimal investment. First, let's explore what we mean by simple machines. These are the basic mechanical devices that make work easier. Think of things like levers, pulleys, wedges, screws, and inclined planes. By combining these, you can create a wide range of products. One great idea is to manufacture custom wooden items. Using a handsaw, a hammer, and some nails, you can create personalized picture frames, small shelves, or even toy blocks. The raw materials, wood, are relatively inexpensive, and the demand for personalized items is always high. Next, consider soap making. This can be done with a lever to mix ingredients, molds, and a heat source. You can create different types of soap with varying scents and ingredients. The cost of materials like oils, lye, and essential oils is relatively low, and the profit margin can be quite substantial. Another option is candle making. Using simple tools such as a pot for melting wax, wicks, and molds, you can produce various candles. You can experiment with different scents, colors, and designs, catering to a diverse market. The overhead for candle making is also generally low. Let's move on to the production of eco-friendly products. Consider making reusable shopping bags from fabric, and a sewing machine, which can be seen as a simple machine. These are in high demand, as consumers are increasingly focused on sustainability. Additionally, explore the market for customized stationery items. Using a printing press, which can be a simplified version, you can create personalized notebooks, cards, and invitations. This requires minimal investment in equipment, with the main costs being paper and ink. For those interested in the food industry, think about creating homemade pasta. With a pasta machine, you can produce different pasta shapes and sizes. The ingredients, such as flour and eggs, are readily available and affordable. Selling pasta at local markets can be a profitable venture. Another idea is to manufacture small metal items using a screw press. This could be useful in making things like bottle openers, keychains, or decorative items. The raw materials, like metal sheets, are accessible, and the profit margin can be good, depending on your marketing efforts. If you're looking for an even lower cost entry point, consider creating items using a lever to make handmade paper. This can include cardstock and art papers, which can be sold online or at craft fairs. The raw materials used here are recycled paper. Remember, the key to success in these ventures is to keep your costs low. Focus on quality and market your products effectively. Identify your target audience and tailor your products to their needs. By leveraging the power of simple machines, you can start a profitable manufacturing business without a massive initial investment. With some creativity, dedication, and smart marketing, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your entrepreneurial journey.